Alright guys, welcome back to the Nasdaq Daily. I hope you guys are having a fantastic Friday today. We're already done with this week's trading sessions and we're now looking to prepare you guys for the next trading session or Monday, which is going to be March 29th, I believe. If this is your first time here, it's great to have you with me, and my job today is very important, and that is to identify the best trading levels for the next trading session. But before I get started, I just want to remind you guys to hit that subscribe button. Right here, you can see it on your video, it's gonna show up. And that way you're going to be notified every time I post a new analysis on the Nasdaq, so you guys can be prepared. And don't forget, if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to drop these in the comment section below and I will answer them as soon as possible. I really appreciate your time with me, and now let's jump right into it. So this is my latest video that I have recorded, and it was posted just yesterday. So I'm gonna link this video in the description box. I suggest that you go ahead and pause this video and watch the previous video so you kind of get better understanding on what I was talking about here. And as you can see, we bounced from level that I talked in another previous video right here, this level, and we kind of find support here. So I talked about that we have this new channel which does not look very good for the bears because we failed to touch this bottom line anywhere in this area right here. So that is why I was expecting to see a push to the upside, and surely this is what happened. Yes, we did do a little bit of range, and as you can see, this was the level I was talking also about. This previous level acted as resistance, and I said that if we make some kind of a high and break that level, we're definitely going to continue higher. I'm not sure exactly where I was talking about a breakout of that level, but yeah, you guys just go ahead and watch that video, and I'm just going to continue so I don't want to lose any more time. And that was basically it. We looked to have some kind of reversal off of this level. That was the plan from actually last week's Friday video. And then once we created this channel, then the next step was to come out of the channel, and just look how perfectly we came and retested this channel today right here. This is another buying opportunity very close to the level, but didn't quite get there. And the last opportunity you had to get long was when we kind of came down to this level F that I have here, but we did not respect that level exactly because it was breached before that. But just look how perfectly we kind of reversed 3 times from my previous level, which was 12,850. And right now we're just looking. I'm just gonna zoom out to show you guys here. So this is Friday session today. It's already over. This is no longer needed because we broke out of it. So I'm just going to leave this as it is, and we're looking to complete this move up to my previous level, which is 13,050. And from there, again, we're going to be looking, if we're going to continue to the upside, we have to come out of this little flag pattern. This is what I'm currently looking at. We have the first leg, and then usually if this breaks to the upside, we can expect this move to repeat about 1-to-1 like I have it here. So if we continue to push higher next week, we can definitely see 13,650 by the end of next week, but that is a little bit more, down the road. Now let's see what is going to be the plan for Monday. I would really love to see some kind of a nice push from here, just straight up, and just look for some kind of reversals. If you guys want to go short, definitely wait to get close to this trend line right here and play the correction down to any of these two levels. That is only if you're trying to get short. Now, if you're trying to get long, probably not a good idea to get long here. I would definitely suggest that if you're trying to get long, maybe wait to see if we can get out of the channel and look for retracement at this level that I have here as well. Because what usually happens is the same way we came out of the smaller channel, we can expect to see a retest like this. If we come out, there's going to be a little sell-off, and then from there we should expect to see a continuation. And again, we have these highs right here to take out before we can continue higher. So everything usually goes step by step. Price doesn't just go straight up. This is I know it looks very strong, but it's just 200 points, not a big deal. We did a 200 points here, and then look what happened. Again here about 300 points, and we dumped like 5. So everything you should take step by step and go over the charts every single day. It's very important because things change, and with time even these prices and these levels will change. Because right now I'm looking at this level right here, but if we do some kind of a range, then you see how this level is going to go lower and lower with time. I mean, on the March 31st, like, we are going to be at resistance at the current price. So that is very important to understand, and that is why I suggest for you guys again to hit the subscribe button and get your notification bell as well, so you get notified when I post my next video. So for now, just 1 second, I want to plug in my laptop because I'm losing power. Alright, so right now our plan is to leave these two levels right here until we reach them and see how are we going to react. And these are going to be our profit targets. If you guys have any longs, definitely take some of your profits off here, because there will be absolutely more opportunity to get in and get long. And what I want to see here actually is if we drop, I know this will be very tiny drop, just 100 points, but yeah, I believe this level will be a lot better to trade if we do some kind of a sell-off. And obviously the bottom of the range. Now this is for Monday. For Tuesday, I would definitely say that we're probably going to be looking at this level right here if we get some kind of a pullback and we start selling off again. As I said, these two levels are going to stay, and I'm also going to mark a third level above. From here I'm going to clone this, and this is going to be our previous resistance, as you can see right here. So these three levels are very key levels if we're going to continue to move higher. Here you can see that resistance, perfect double top off of that level, and then we dumped like 700 points. Yeah guys, I mean, these are the levels. Make sure you have them on the chart, make sure you have a plan, and this will be it for today's video. I hope you guys like it, I hope you guys find value, and don't forget to check out my previous videos, because it will make a lot more sense, especially if you're new to the channel. Go over the previous videos and you're going to kind of understand, I hope that you're going to understand what I'm looking at when I look at the charts, what I look for, and how I create my trading plan for the next trade.